Do you see the present condition of architecture and construction in India? Do you feel the construction industry is slow and messy? And are you sick of endless reports about the cost overruns and project delays? But can you still see a bright future for the construction industry in India? I certainly can. How, you ask? By looking at the present trends of BIM adoption across the country. Hear me out. The architecture, engineering, construction, and operations, or the AECO industry, is huge in India. It is second only to the agriculture industry and contributes to about 11% of India's GDP. Invest India claims that the construction industry in India will be a $1.4 trillion industry by 2025. With the present state of affairs and the ongoing government schemes in India, the industry is literally booming. Or rather, it should be booming. Instead, what is making it to the news is reports of cost overruns and project delays. In 2019, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation reported at least 300 projects with a cost overrun of 4 lakh crore, while over 500 projects faced time escalation. Many government and private agencies and think tanks started looking into possible ways in which the speed of construction can be increased without compromising on the design and build quality of the structures. Almost all of these agencies ended up with the same answer: Building Information Modeling, or BIM. BIM is a highly collaborative process that allows architects, civil engineers, real estate developers, contractors, manufacturers, and other construction professionals to plan, design, and construct a building within a single 3D model. Niti Aayog, a central government think tank, believes that implementing BIM can save up to 20% on the project cost simply by reducing the overall construction time. It is trying to promote the use of BIM technology in all kinds of government projects, including housing for all projects, highway construction, greenfield airport, metro projects, and even capacity augmentation programs. In terms of BIM adoption rate, India is not very far behind the developed countries that are already using advanced construction technology. Back in the early 2000s, if you were a BIM specialist or a BIM software developer and were to ask around about BIM in the industry, you would get replies like, "We are not interested," or "It's probably nice to have such a tool and we'll think about it." However, if you were to do that now, the response you'd get from most firms would be along the lines of, "We're training all of our employees in BIM, and BIM is an essential in our toolkit." The truth is that in the early 2000s, BIM was hardly implemented in any project in India. And if at all it was only for producing 2D drawings that were free from clashes after producing the model from a set of 2D CAD drawings. Projects like the T2 of the Mumbai airport and certain hotels were managed this way. Of course, without exploring the true potential of BIM, it was hard to justify its use. There was some hesitation and backlash, and its use met with skepticism. But by the mid-2010s, BIM had made quite an impression on the tech giants in the country. Many technology and IT firms had ambitious projects lined up, turning to BIM for its realization. This time, the processes were far more efficiently planned and BIM technology was utilized much better. Around this time, the Maha Metro project was under development in Nagpur. They employed 5D BIM for seamless collaboration among the various disciplines involved in the project. It was used for the creation of BOQs, construction simulation, and cost and asset management. The implementation of BIM allowed Maha Metro to have absolute control over the quality, cost, and schedule of the project. Given these positive developments in the Indian construction industry, BIM is well on its way to becoming a non-negotiable standard practice across all firms in the country. It's not just the industry at large which is reaping the benefits of BIM. Even at an individual level, BIM has proved to be a rather rewarding career choice for architecture and construction professionals. For one, BIM skills pay more. While it's common for AECO professionals to see incremental growth in their salaries over the years, BIM professionals actually see exponential growth based on their skill set and project management abilities. A recent study by Dodge Data and Analytics revealed that BIM skilled professionals typically earn 40% higher than the industry average. Secondly, BIM has proved to be pandemic-proof. As we've all seen, the pandemic led to a very turbulent job market, marked by steady decline in all employment rates. However, due to the end-to-end digitization that BIM involves, jobs in this field remain stable and largely unaffected. Online collaboration has now emerged stronger than ever, in addition to a growing realization of the possibilities of remote working in the field. All in all, India is making steady strides towards complete BIM implementation, and AECO firms are increasingly replacing CAD drawings with BIM files and looking to recruit architects and engineers with good BIM skills so that they can both lead and contribute to their digital evolution. If you are a young architect or civil engineer, now is a great time for you to learn and specialize in BIM. It will undoubtedly make for an intellectually and financially rewarding career path for you. Stay tuned for more insights on AECO careers and industry tips. And if you would like to learn BIM, make sure you log on to 1is2x.com to get started.